Hey guys, so I'm coming to you from the ferry leaving Seattle, which is behind me, on my way to Bremerton, which is where Cece lives. And this week, my big adventure is coming to Seattle. So I flew in on Tuesday, today is Wednesday, I caught up with friends, had lunch with Karen, who's a Starship captain. Now I'm going into Cece's place, and we're going to do workshops. Tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to do one in Arlington. Friday, we are doing 2 or 3 in Bremerton. We're doing Essential Oil 101 workshops where we share essential oils, how they work, how to choose the right one for you, and how to implement them in your daily life and use essential oils to replace a lot of unnatural, toxic things in your life. We're doing workshops on that all week. So that's the whole reason I came on this trip, is when you decide you want to start sharing doTERRA oils with people, part of what you get is me. And right now this spring, I'm traveling to LA, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, also the UK, and maybe New York and Boston. And basically wherever anybody who wants to start sharing oils is, I'm traveling to them and helping them hold their first workshops. So tomorrow at the yarn shop, we're going to specifically talk about natural solutions for knitters and how you can use essential oils for pain relief, for stress relief, for falling asleep when you can't stop obsessing over the knitting pattern, all of that. And I think if you guys are interested, I'll do a webinar on that and share it with you guys here as well. So that's what's going on in my week. This week's vlog is all images and videos from this trip. So say bye to Seattle. Let's just appreciate the awesomeness of this mural. So all these crystals. Do you love this? This is a liquor store. They have an amazing mural. Oh, and it keeps going.